Let us now discuss about one of the basic concept, that is static context. In the static context we have three types, that is static variables, static methods and static blocks. Now we will discuss about what is static block. We will write the code. Take the static block, sys out, inside the static block, take the main method, sys out, inside the main method, control shift format, control save, right click on it, run as Java application. Okay. And now we have the output on the console inside the static block and inside the main method. That is about static blocks. Now we will discuss about what is static method and how we declare it. Take the static method, take the return type as void because we are not returning anything. Sys out, student has been saved. Take the main method, take the class name, control shift format, control save and run it. Run as Java application. Student has been saved, and that's all about static method. Now we will discuss about what is static variable and how we declare it and how we use it across the class. For example, static int I equal to 9, take the main method, sys out, take the class name. By using the class name, call the variable static variable, control shift format, control C and run it. You can run it by right clicking on it, run as Java application, or else you can have a shortcut, control F11. There you go, 9 is the output. That's all about static blocks. We will discuss about one of the small example about how to declare a static variable by taking the student object. For example, int id string name static string college, right click on it, source, generate constructor using fields. We are generating the constructor for the instance variables but not for the static variable that can be used across the class. Generate, Control Shift format, Control save. In the test class, take the object of static demo, take the class name, copy it, create the object for it, initialize the variables, initialize the data to it. For example, take the child id as 1 and name as Anish. By using the reference variable sd dot, take the main method. Control X, Control V. Sysum sd.id sysum sd.name sysum sd dot. That is not the correct process. By taking the reference variable of the object to get the value of the static variable that is declared across the class, take the class name, so static demo dot college, because college is declared as a static variable so that we can use across the class. ID and name are the instance variables. We have to create object for it and use the constructor for it to initialize the values. But for the college, we no need to declare object or no need to create object for it. Control Shift format, Control save, run as. Here it is showing null because take some name, weekend. Control Z, known as. Here you go, one Anish weekend. Here we have declared the college as a static and use it across the class. We did not create any instance, or we did not create any object for it. We have used it across the class and called it by using the class name, because static variables or static methods or static blocks, anything will be called by using the class name. That's all.